For the second year in a row, the Kingston and St Masters League Association Neville and Memorial Trophy ended in a no result. The final between Siva Masters and Kingston and St Masters at Drax Hall ended minutes into the second half when the generator blew out and resulted in a power cut. The score was 0-0 at the time of the stoppage. As a result, both teams will share the trophy, as was the case in the first staging last year when Siva and St Masters did likewise at St George's College.
Share the trophy is not bad. It shows the camaraderie of both teams. It was just bad lucky that the transformer went and we didn't score the goal that we needed to score to outright win the game.
It's a very good game was playing, and just unfortunately light went out. So if you have a share again, that's it. It happened last year again and then this year again. So hopefully the next time in Mobile we won't have that situation again. So we can just walk out with it easily.
Former national player Hector Wright and Ian McNaughton, manager of Harbourview Masters, were the two honorees this year.
It's always a pleasure, to know that, to be recognized, for your contribution to the sport, while playing, and now that you stop playing, you're contributing in terms of imparting, your knowledge, and, like I said, it's an honor.
We must remember one thing, right? That football is life, and where we are now, we must try to develop others coming up.
Teams from across the islands took part in the one-day tournament. That's 4 more than last year. Alaric McCullough of Ocherius Masters was the leading scorer with 3 goals.
Today's event was very enterprising, and I think the word is being spread that this will get even bigger and better in years to come.